Now, when we sell a house, there are certain elements that transfer with the house. We talk about the fixtures, controls, and keys. Not just the keys for the mailbox and the front door, but it also includes remote controls and smart home features, such as a Nest thermostat or control automation for a theater or lighting systems. It, of course, does include keys. It also includes drapes, window coverings, and mini blinds. They're attached to the property. They convey with the property. The same thing also can be said for light bulbs, specialty light bulbs, window blinds, and any planted shrubs outside. So if it's important to you, make sure we detach it from the property before we sell it so you can take it with you to your next property.